Hi, this is our submission for SIH 2025 problem statement 25070. Our statement describes the challenge that there still might be data in devices even after cleaning or formatting them, which imposes a very serious and critical security issue. Our software aims for this very challenge and solves it by cleaning the data on operating system's kernel level. Our software works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android. Our software aims for both HDD and SSD. Our software also generates a certificate, but unlike other softwares, our certificate is a little different. It is not just verifiable, it is mathematically provable. Our certificate has a hashed value which is calculated uniquely for every system, and which can be proved mathematically by any third-party software or person. These are not mere just words, but mathematical solutions. Let me show you exactly how our software's technical aspect works. When a software boots up in the system, it detects automatically what type of drive needs to be erased, whether it is HDD or SSD. If it is HDD, it overwrites all the data and then deletes it, so that even if someone recovers it, it is not usable. If it is SSD, it then again checks whether it supports SED or not. SED is self-encrypting device, which has an encryption key for all of its data. We simply delete the encryption key and the data is unusable again. If it does not support SED, we check for sanitization support, which is provided by the manufacturer itself. If it does support, we implement it and delete the data, which also has the manufacturer's guarantee. But if it does not support sanitization as well, we use a migration and a combination of two methods. We first overwrite the data with zeros and ones and then encrypt it and then delete the key. So if someone does get into the device, he will not have encryption key, or if he has, it will be just zeros and ones. This is how our software's GUI looks like. It lists all our features of security wiping. User can click on scan devices and get the list of all the devices that are mounted into the device. User can then select the device he wants to clean. After selecting the device, the user clicks begin security wipe. The user do have to enter a one-time password for security reasons. It shows real-time progress of our software. Once the progress is completed, a certificate is generated and a screen of confirmation is shown. User can also enter the certificate ID and prove the certificate is valid or check another certificate's validity at the same time. This is how our software CLI looks like. When a software first gets booted up, it lists all the devices that are mounted in it. User can select from the listed device and then move ahead with it. It then asks what the user wants to do with the device, whether it wants the complete information of the drive or wipe it. We select the wiping process and type yes to confirm. It shows the progress of the software. When the progress is completed and the data is wiped, a wiped successful message is shown and a certificate will be generated further. The user can download our software from our website Secure Wipe. The website lists the features of our software, that is OS level data wiping, certificate generation, and simple UI. It also supports cross-platform, that is Linux, Windows, and Mac. The installer has a universal feature that works for all Linux, Mac, and Windows in just one software. The user is also shown a notification of the downloadable software. The user can download our software from our website Secure Wipe. The website lists the features of our software, that is